Today, I'm reviewing the SpaceHawk GPS Strong Magnetic Tracker, a small powerful GPS tracking device that promises real-time accuracy and easy wire-free installation. In this video, I'll walk you through the unboxing, setup, live tracking test, pricing, battery life, and my final verdict on whether it's worth buying. Inside the box, you get the SpaceHawk tracker, a charging cable, and a quick start guide. The device itself is surprisingly compact, small enough to hide inside a car, a bike frame, a backpack, or even luggage. The highlight is the built-in strong magnetic mount, which allows you to attach the tracker to any metal surface without screws, wiring, or installation tools. To give you an idea of its strength, the magnet easily sticks to the car frame, the bike chassis, and even under the vehicle, and it stays firmly in place even on bumpy roads. Setting up the tracker is simple. Just download the SpaceHawk app from the Play Store or App Store. Create an account and scan the QR code on the device to pair it. Once the tracker is turned on and placed in your vehicle or bag, you can monitor everything from the app. It shows live location updates, movement history, route playback, geofence alerts, speed notifications, and even battery status. You can set virtual boundaries, and if the tracker leaves that area, you immediately get an alert on your phone. As of today, the SpaceHawk GPS tracker typically retails for around $69 on sale, and tracking service requires a monthly subscription starting at $9.95 per month. These plans give you access to real-time location updates and alert features. Prices vary as per your update frequency. If you want faster updates, you need to pay more. Check the link in the description for the latest pricing and any ongoing deals. To test its accuracy, I placed the tracker in my car and I took it for a drive. The real-time map updates were fast and matched my route perfectly. When the car stopped, the app showed the exact stopping point. I also tested it while walking, and even in slower movement, the accuracy remained impressive for such a small GPS tracker device. The battery life depends on how often you want location updates. In regular real-time mode, you can expect around 1 to 2 weeks of usage. If you switch to a power-saving mode, the battery can last a really long time. The app shows the remaining battery percentage, which makes it easy to plan recharging. You can place the tracker inside the car trunk, under the seat, on the metal chassis, on a bike frame, or inside luggage. Just make sure that you use GPS trackers responsibly and legally. Only track vehicles or assets you own or have permission to monitor. Now, let's quickly go through the pros and cons. On the positive side, the magnet is strong. The device is small and easy to hide. The tracking accuracy is very good, and the setup process is simple. It's a useful tool for cars, bikes, travel bags, and general asset protection. Regarding cons, it requires a monthly subscription, relies on cellular coverage for tracking, so it may not work properly in areas with weak signal strength. Overall, after testing the SpaceHawk GPS Strong Magnetic Tracker, I can say it delivers on its promise. It's compact, accurate, easy to set up, and the magnetic mount is genuinely strong. If you're looking for a small GPS tracker device for vehicle safety, personal travel, or asset protection, this is definitely worth considering. I've added the link in the description where you can check the latest price and available plans. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.